Well, hello again. I've got this Remington 12 from, I believe, 1930, which I think would make that one of the later 12s. I got this one from the attic of a big old house, turn-of-the-century house. This was actually purchased, used by my dad in probably 1964. I played on this typewriter when I was little. And it's been an attic for about 45 years or so. I brought it home and I cleaned the segment with mineral spirits. I got in there with the comb and a wire brush. Really does wonders. And then I turned it over and lubricated all the lubrication points that I knew to look for. I used, I hope it's okay, I hope this is not frowned upon or anything, but I used sewing machine oil for that. I understand that the stuff they used to use was like from whale blubber or something back in the day, but obviously you can't get that anymore, or you shouldn't get that anymore. So the only problem I ran into is the carriage will not return. So I knew it was either the main spring or the carriage return string or band. Some typewriters had strings, some had a band. This one actually had a band, and you know it's down to nothing. But I was lucky that the main spring is in great shape. I mean, it's got a lot of tension. You wind it up 4 or 5 times, which is what I think is recommended when you reattach it. And it's got a lot of power to it, a lot of whatever you call it. It's a strong spring. So I am going to try to reattach this instead of using a band. Someone said you could use fishing wire, so I went to look for that, and I found something that may be just as good, maybe better, I don't know, but it's called drop line, and it's sturdier stuff that you attach it to your fishing line. I don't know anything about fishing, but it looks like you attach it to your fishing line. And those are your drop lines, but it looks really strong, but it looks good. It's all black, and it looks pretty, it's thick enough to where it won't look out of place, I don't think. So the original hooks that connect the band are okay. I could probably figure out a way to attach these to the string, but I thought it might be easier. I'll put it in the fishing department of Walmart. I found these things. They're what do they call them? Barrel swivels, and it looks like they attach sort of like a little tiny I don't know, like a little grappling hook or something. But so I'm going to try those. They don't look like they have sharp edges, so hopefully they won't wear away that string. So, all right, I'm pretty hopeful for this thing, and if I get it working a little bit, then I'll take the time to really clean up the rest of it. And yeah, all right, here we go. Wish me luck.